So copywriters, today is for you. I promised in my last video that I was going to specifically find gigs for copywriters in this edition, and I'm back for you. So today I have about 5, or is it 6? I think about 5 or 6 new remote opportunities available for copywriters. So if you're a copywriter watching this right now and you're currently in the market for a new gig, then this is the right video for you. You certainly want to stay here, and let's get straight into the video. Guys, in case you're just joining this for the first time, every Monday mornings I release new available gigs for content writers and copywriters occasionally. So if you're watching this and you're a content writer, then this is certainly a channel you want to stick to, right? So there's a subscribe button right there for you to click on, and then turn on notifications so that you can follow in on all of my future videos. All right, so without wasting much time, let's just get straight into the video. I have about 5 new gigs for you, and let me just show you what you need to do. So you guys already know how we do this, right? I have listed all of them out in the description box. Okay, so all you need to do right now is, after you watch the video, just go to the description box and check the one that resonates with you, the one that you think you can handle, and then apply for it. You're going to see I'm linking directly to the posting page, the job posting page. So when you go there, you see their requirements, everything they've asked you to do, and then you just submit what you need to submit and apply for the gig. So without wasting much time, let's just get straight into it. The first gig on my list is from someone called Sam Goldin. This person is on LinkedIn. Do I need to? Okay, let me say this again. In case you're watching this and you're not on LinkedIn, wrong move, totally wrong move. Step number 1 in this content writing and copywriting world, rule number 1: open a LinkedIn account and be active on it. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a minute to go on and open in case you're not there, and then start. Just get a profile first, because almost all these gigs, if not all of them, are on LinkedIn. So you need to have a LinkedIn account first. All right. So yeah, so as I was saying, job number 1 is from someone called Sam Goldin on LinkedIn, and she's looking for a UX copywriter, someone that can write short micro copy, for social media posts and all those catchy things. All right. So she wants you to send her a DM on her LinkedIn page. I've linked it in my description box. Number 2. So it looks like Figma, they are currently looking for a new copywriter to join their team, because someone on their team is hiring for a brand copywriter. Okay, so big deal, right? So in case you are into brand copywriting, you know how to create compelling stories for brand, then you want to reach out to Taryn. I have linked her handle and everything. The description, requirements, everything you need to have is all there, so just go there and apply. Number 3 is from someone called Gaby, and the person is also on LinkedIn. I told you almost all these gigs are on LinkedIn, so get a LinkedIn. It's not negotiable. Yeah, so Gaby is also hiring for a copywriter, preferably in the B2B or B2C space. So if you do stuff like that, then you want to send Gaby a DM immediately. The 4th gig I have for you today is from Forrest Solutions. So there's this marketing agency called Forrest Solutions, and they are currently looking for a new brand copywriter. So according to the description, they need someone that can write emails, social media copy, website content, all of them to align with the brand's story. So that's a brand copywriter, right? So the rate is very good. Actually, they are paying anywhere from $42 to $50 per hour, so it's a good deal. So you want to head on to the link on my description box and then go and see the full requirements and apply. The final hiring opportunity I have for you today is from a company called Salt. Okay, so someone on the Salt team called Lizzie is hiring a copywriter. Now this particular gig is they are particularly looking for someone in the luxury sector. So if you have written copy for the luxury sector before, then this is your cue to apply for this position. You do very well. All right, so guys, that's all the gigs I have for you in this edition. I did not have the time to do so much research, okay, because the truth is, finding copywriting gigs, especially the ones that hire from anywhere in the world, is not so easy. Okay, so I didn't really get to find a lot of them, but I'm going to make you another promise, and that is that in the next episode for copywriters, I'm going to bring more solid gigs, all right, that are remote, hiring from anywhere. Of course, all of these ones I've listed here also hire from anywhere in the world and are also remote. So yes, I'm going to just do in-depth research, better research next time, and come up with more gigs for you next time. Alright, so that's it guys for this episode. If you watched to this point, then I hope that you are already subscribed, but if you are not, then please click the subscribe button so that you can join my family. Alright, thank you guys for staying till the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.